Hi, I'm Dr. Sonia, and today I'll be talking to you about cough. I'm sure many of you have gone to your local pharmacist to take some medication to get rid of that nasty cough. But what is important while dealing with cough is the cause, from where the cough is generating, and then we give the medicine accordingly. It can be antibiotics if it is your lungs which are affected. It can be a nebulizer or inhaler if it is asthma or bronchitis. What many of you might not know is that your nose can be one reason of your cough as well. What happens here is the nose actually trickles at the back of your throat, and that causes that itchy feeling as if something is stuck in your throat. So next time your doctor prescribes a nose spray for your cough, don't be surprised. Thank you.